Carmen Bernal. How you doing, sweetheart? Can I get you anything? Tea, coffee, soda, tequila, maybe? Corona? Alright, I want you to listen to me very carefully, Carmen. I want to be friends with you. I really do. But I don't think I can be friends with you if you don't talk to me. As long as you keep talking, we can be friends. But the moment you start stonewalling me or lying to me, I'm not gonna like you so much. And that's when all your troubles start. You understand? Good. Now you know why you're here, don't you? You know why you're here, don't you?
You can ask my father for a ransom.
That's not too bad an idea, actually, but no. Where's Eduardo, Carmen? Where's Eduardo?
I don't know.
Hey! Go to my office. Bring me the pliers and the duct tape that's on top of my desk.